Hello, beautiful viewers. This is the K-Pop Unboxer coming to you with a brand new unboxing video. Today we have Red Velvet's 10th anniversary, their new album, Cosmic. Today I only have one of each version because I'm trying to save money, so please excuse me. So I have the hotel version of the photobook, the hotel version of the poster, and then of course I have Yeti's version of the SMini. So they only did three versions of the album, with only one version being member, which is the SMini, and then there's two versions of this. It's Hotel and Midnight something. It's a blue cover, so I kind of did the pink cover to kind of keep with everything. And then we also got a POB because I ordered from K-Pop Republic, and they're doing POBs now, which is amazing. And I love that store. They are super fast with shipping, and they gave me they gave me Yetis, so I am very happy. And this is the Make Star. And it's also hollow, which is gorgeous. So I'm very grateful for that. Thank you, K-Pop Republic. This video is not sponsored, but so that is where I got that from. So we're gonna start with the photobook version, then do the poster, then the SMini. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so first up is going to be the hotel version of the photobook. I'm gonna probably get the other version, which is called Midnight Sun, when it comes out at Target. They're doing this version, the Midnight Sun one, and the hotel version with an exclusive photo card, but I think it doesn't come out till August, so I'll be getting that. So please subscribe and look forward to that. So here is the outside. It's in like a package with all kinds of stuff, and it has my favorite that never wants to come apart. It's so sticky. And I end up ripping it, which is what I'm doing, but what are you going to do? It is what it is. But there's no sticker on the outside of that. The sticker's on the outside of this. So this is like a cellophane kind of. So anyway, you remove it like that. And get everything out. There's a bunch of stickers in here. Ooh, come on, it's staticky. Okay. Let me get all of this stuff out. I also really like this concept. You'll see in a minute. Oh, actually, you can see right now. It's like little sailor outfit. So cute. That's a little creepy, I have to say, with their faces. I was like, ah, okay, sure. Oh, my favorite B-side. Well, first of all, I just want to talk about Cosmic for a second. It is, I don't know, I think it's like one of my favorite Red Velvet songs they ever did. I am obsessed with, and I'm about to get music nerdy here for a second. I'm really obsessed with the chord progression of the chorus. It is you think it's gonna go somewhere, and it goes the opposite, and I just love it. It sounds so good, and of course the ladies sound extraordinary on it. Um, but I'd have to say, I guess, besides Cosmic, obviously because it's the title track, I'd probably have to say Bubble or Night Drive, maybe. Maybe, yeah, between the two of them. Although they're all good. It's a non skip album. So let me know what your favorite track is. I can never say goodnight because your love is cosmic. So this is the hotel version. So I'm assuming, yes, we're going to be in a weird, kind of a weird hotel, but sure. What is that? Just a hand. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the whited out faces. It's a little creepy to me. But flawless. Look at that face. She's playing with some kind of gyroscope. I don't know if anybody, well, of course people know this movie, but The Sound of Music, it is giving me the Von Trapp family vibes in their sailor suits. I like the little hats too. That's a fun little detail on the hat. And I'm actually really happy they didn't do a million versions because, well, my bank account's really happy that they didn't. So, well, she's definitely out in front of a hotel. I'm glad they didn't do like a ton of versions and like Chill Kill. Although I still love that red velvet bag. It's like my favorite, one of my favorite packagings of K-pop ever. I also like that their little sailor suits are all different. So they're cohesive, but yet they have personality. Like she has these really cool sleeves that lace up. They look concerned looking at the window. Okay, so that was the photo book. We have this really cute, like, CD case, like you burnt a CD for somebody. Cosmic going on. Let's do these little stickers. So you get three, and then velvet. Okay, for the postcard we got Sylvie. And then we have this poster. And we got a member poster. Just want to show you what it says on the top of the back. And we got Wendy. And then we have a lyric book sheet. An outdoor photo shoot. Just wanting to focus. Okay, and then the last thing we get is a photo card, and we got, I don't know if you can tell, we got Yeti, my bias, so I don't have to sell or trade. How exciting. And she says on the back, forever 2024. I don't know. Her photo card is super cute. Love the outfit and the hair. Anyway, so you get quite a few things in that package. Okay, let's move on to the poster version. Okay, next up we have the poster version. It has a sticker on the outside. And these are SM's famous poster versions. So we will take all of the stuff out. Okay. And they only did 2 of these. So there's this one, the hotel one, and then the Midnight Sun version. So this side there's all the lyrics and the credits, and of course pictures of ladies. Okay, so it looks like you get CD, a little bit different than the other one. You get a set of postcards. It looks like we got all Sobies. So I guess you get one member. And then here are some cute stickers. That says Irene. I know it's hard to tell. That's just a shape. Just Joy. Another shape. Logo. And then Stogie. So we'll put that there because that's our version. And then we got Wendy. I'll let you look at the cute little message. There she is with her cute little bob with bangs, giving us full eyes, giving us gorgeous. So that is poster version. All right, let's move on to the last version. Okay, this is the last version we have today, and it is the famous SMini. And this is Yeti's. Super cute. There's CD cover. That's the back. There's the little red velvet. Oh, ooh, I got 2. Except I don't know where the other just. Oh, I found it. So I got 2. That's the first time that ever happened. They're just both stuck in there. Okay. That's a double CD. And of course, the the chain to hang it with. I love this barrette in her hair. It's beautiful. Okay, so let's take out. It's just pink on one side. And then, of course, we have the how to use. And then we got Joy, and she is a little bent. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm probably not going to be able to sell her because it's bent. See how it's zoomed in? There's an easier way to see. You can kind of see like that. Anyway, we'll just keep her in the collection. Miss Joy. Okay, so let's get our pools together. I'll show you all of them and we will wrap this up. Okay, so here are my pools with the hotel versions of the albums. We got a little bit of everybody in the collection. Make sure you like this video, comment down below if you are a Red Velvet stand, and tell me who your bias is. I also have Patreon details below if you're interested in that. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already for future unboxings just like this one. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of others, and stay out of the heat. It's really, really hot out. So please be careful. And we'll see you in the next unboxing video. Bye.